Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have a table decor idea for the fall season, and I'm going to be using a dough bowl as you see pictured here, and we're going to be using some candles and some faux floral fire arrangement and how you can put something like this together. And all of the beautiful amber colors, the browns of the leaves, golden hues. Easy way of doing an arrangement. And then you're just going to take your entire floral stem or bush, and you're just going to take the entire bush. You can take it apart, but I'm not going to take it apart. Spread it around the arrangement. And so I'm going to turn the stem back here. I'm just going to take it and wrap it around. And just moving them around so that they flow in between the candles, raising some of them up because it is a one-sided arrangement. And then I'll just move that around. You still have full coverage on the ends, but you have the florals where they are weaving, intertwining in between each of the candles. And then just moving them up and down, raising them up, and you just eyeball it and figure out where you want it removed, or not removed, but move some of the greenery stems. And you can do this with fresh florals as well. It would look very beautiful with fresh florals. You know, my money, some people are blessed to have those luscious and beautiful flower gardens, and they're able to just go out there and choose the florals of their choice. And you can, because that is one of my indulgences. And then you want to just, again, move all the stems around how you would like to see them arranged. And then once you do one side, you can come over and you'll do the opposite side the same. And we'll do the same thing, placing it around. And you could, again, just bend the whole stem so that it does wrap around your candle, taking it around, and just start to make it go however it is that you would like to see your florals drop. And so that's what I'm going to continue to do as you watch. And that's the good thing about the faux florals, because you're able to bend them and push them down how you want them, because the stems are wired. And so that makes it a lot easier when placing them or arranging them how you want to, because you can manipulate them easy, folding them up or pushing them down. And you'll just continue to go around if you want to see some of the greenery raised in the back. Point that you like it, and I'll lower that down over there on that these bushes that I showed you in the previous clip. And then what I'm going to do is just pop them off, the actual bud off, and I'm just going to randomly place them around the arrangement. You do it's the same with the other blooms. You can take them off and move them around if you don't like where they're placed. If you don't want to take your whole stem apart, randomly place those so that you have the same colors flowing throughout the arrangement. Now this is a good way to have an arrangement non-pumpkin. Those out there who don't want pumpkins and you just want to see some beautiful fall colors. Now this is really big, so it would look really pretty on top of a elongated dining room table, such as a rectangle table, a square table, or an oval style table. My table is round, and I do like the juxtaposition of using something long and narrow rather than a round vessel on top of an already round table. Give some more movement around the room, and it still adds a softness to the eye because the table is so wide that this just takes eye across the table. And so you can just continue to layer in all of your buds however it is that you would like to see them. And you can add in more greenery. You can change out the candles and change it to some bigger candles, higher candles, lower candles, however it is that you would like to see the arrangement. But that's pretty much it. You have a really long floral arrangement that you can place even on top of the buffet, which I'll place it over there and we'll give it a look. And we could just push it right into place. I'm going to add a few different candlesticks on top of the buffet, and then I'm going to move the arrangement up top there so you can have a view from there. Thank you all for joining me. This has been Shenell. Stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful from the inside out. If not for you, then for someone else. I'll see you all for the next one.